Welcome guys. Let's create a table view programmatically. In this video, I have a blank project with empty view controller. Also, I have created a fruits array. I want to show them inside our table view. First, let's create a table view instance. Add this table view inside our main view. Let's set its frame equal to view.bounds. After setting its frame, I have to register the cell. I can use the TableView.register method to register our cell. Instead of nib, I will use the UITableView.cell.self class. And for reuse identifier, let's name it as cell. In order to define the number of cells or rows, we have to use a protocol data source. First, we will assign our view controller to the data source. So here we are assigning our view controller to the data source property. So let's implement our UI data source protocol. It requires two methods to be implemented. The first one is the number of rows in section, and the other one is cell for row at we want to return the number of cells according to this fruits array, so I will use the fruits array count. And now we also have to return a cell. We will get cell from tableview.dequeue reusable cell with the identifier. The identifier will be cell, and for index path we will get it from the parameter index path. And we will set the text of cell using the cell.text label .text property equal to fruits index path .row. We will get this number of cell from this index path. So for first cell it returns 0, and we will get our fruits array first value. Similarly, for each cell it will return an integer value, and in this way we will get all these values inside our cells. It requires an optional sign, so I will set its optional sign. At the end we will return this cell. Once we are finished this, we can run our code to test our table view, and you can see our table view is ready and fruits are shown in our table view. We can also set height for our cells using the tableview.row property. Tableview.row height equal to 100. Now let's run it again, and now we have a table view with cells of height 100. So this is how you can create a table view programmatically. I hope this video will be helpful for creating table views. So if you like it, you can subscribe our channel and like this video. Thanks for watching.